Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start by assembling precise ingredients so the strudel bakes evenly. Use 2 large tart apples, 100 g sugar, 1 tsp cinnamon, 1/2 cup raisins, and 30 g fine breadcrumbs in a bowl. Peel, core, and slice apples into 5 mm slices, then toss with 1 tablespoon lemon juice to stop browning. Thaw 1 sheet of puff pastry until pliable and chill briefly if too soft. Beat 1 egg with 1 tsp water for an egg wash, and preheat oven. Lay the thawed sheet on lightly floured parchment and roll to a 12 by 10 inches rectangle about 1/4 inch thick. Sprinkle 30 g breadcrumbs in a central strip to absorb juices, then mound the apple, sugar, cinnamon, and raisin mixture into a 2-inch wide line lengthwise. Leave 3/4 inch clear edges. Brush those edges with egg wash, fold long sides over the filling, then roll away from you to form a tight log. Pinch seams and tuck ends, then transfer seam side down to a baking sheet. Slide the assembled strudel into a preheated 200 degrees C, 400 degrees F, oven and bake for 40–45 minutes, rotating once at 25 minutes, until the pastry is deep golden and juices bubble through vents. Check internal temperature should register warm but not scalding. Use visual cues. Remove and brush lightly with melted butter for shine, then cool on a rack. Let rest 20 minutes to set the juices before slicing. Dust with 30 g powdered sugar, and serve warm with 100 ml lightly whipped cream or 1 scoop of vanilla ice cream per slice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.